Hello everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. Wait, let me settle down. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for the zodiac sign Pisces for the month of July 2021. Let's see what is coming up in their career life and relationship situation for Pisces for July 2021. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. करियर में Okay, so in your career life, Pisces, you are being very dominant. You are reaching to a higher level, higher position, and or you are dreaming about energetically that you want to reach out to a higher position. You might become a CEO of a company, or you might reach to a higher position of managerial situation. Okay, in the month of July you will be very stuck, your victory will be stuck into a situation. You won't be able to proceed further and your victory is blocked. There's a universal blockage in the victory. Before you were emotional, now you are going to be very much practical when it comes to the situations in your career life. Okay, you'll be taking decisions not from your heart but from your mind. When it comes to your decision making, you are regaining your power back, you are regaining your energy back. Okay, so yeah, in your career life, in your relationship, you are no more working hard towards building up any relationship, but you are just working smartly when it comes to your relationship, or thinking about uh, smart choices. Okay, you are cutting off a communication with someone completely, or you are gaining a lot of clarity related to your relationship situation. Okay, there's something about to happen in your life in the month of July. Okay, building is going to get shattered. It might be a positive shattering of a building. It may be a negative shattering of a building, but yeah, something major is going to shatter your life in the month of July. Okay, so especially the last 10 days from 31st of July, 21st of July to 30th of July, you know there will be a lot of shattering will be going on. Okay, let's see, let's clarify Tower. Yeah, you are going to make an offer towards someone, or a new offer is coming towards you, new beginning. No more waiting game is going on. You are going to take an action related to something. Okay, you are no more going to be waiting. You are going through a lot of spiritual awakening, third eye chakra opening, and situations like this. Okay, let me clarify the. You will be juggling between two choices, two options, two decisions, two connections. You will be moving on. You will be either, if you were dealing with a third party situation, then you will be moving on from a situation like this, or else you will be releasing a third party situation. Okay, or you will be moving on from a situation like this. Okay, so yeah, you are no more going to be working hard towards solving the issues or obstacles. Okay, it's like it's time for a new energy, new life, new situations. Okay, you will be creating boundaries. You will be carrying a lot of burden related to relationships in life. Okay, but yeah, you are going to take a major decisions in your life. 100% you'll be stuck when it comes to your relationship things. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, You will be very much confused related to situation, juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. Okay, let's see. What is your life purpose? What is your life purpose? Okay. Well, you need to do a career change. Okay, everything is stuck, everything is blocked, nothing is going on in according to you. You might inspire young people, other people, you might guide other people, okay, to move forward. Crystals, your connections to crystals, gemstones, healings, and in the diamond thing will be really good. So if you are thinking to build a career related to crystals and gemstones, you can go ahead with it in the month of July. Your life purpose fully supports you. Okay, so your life purpose is supporting you in some way or the other. You will be asking too many questions related to certain things, certain people around. Okay, yeah, the answer that you are seeking involves, asking a lot of questions. You are on the right path. Keep doing what you are doing because it's working. You're going through some major spiritual awakening, guys. Okay, major third eye chakra opening. So things are going to get changed. Your perspective is about to change when it comes to your life. Okay, situations around. You are going to spend time with earth and the nature around. Okay, and trust your feelings and dreams to guide the career path. Okay, so that's the thing. You might spend time with earth's angels and natures. Okay, nature, or you might spend time with animals or something like that. I hope you like this reading, Pisces. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye, take care.